So Yaman.
It's recorded.
Jamaica, yeah, Yaman.
Come here, one more fucking time. So we just recorded a video, our Q&A video on how did we meet, and unfortunately because we were eating and being fat,
You were being fat.
we just had to set the camera at the end. Okay, Ziggy set the camera at the end of the table, and I guess like it shifted. No, it was fine. Like you could see our full body like this.
Perfect.
But then it shifted, and we didn't know. We recorded everything, and we don't want to redo it because that was like the real us. So I'm sorry if the video quality may seem kind of blah, but I mean the most important thing is
Quality,
the setting. I don't know, but if the video seems
the
weird,
video was good at first.
yeah, I don't understand how it shifted. It just shifted, but we just answered the questions, right? You can still see us. You're just only gonna see our head. We're gonna look like bobbleheads, like float heads. Like just our heads are floating, but just giving you guys a heads up.
And that was jade of how everything started.
Yeah, that was all real, no pretend. We hope you guys enjoy it. Let go. Okay, so this is what? Take what?
What?
Take
4?
3? Take 4? Okay, so welcome back to our channel, guys. Please excuse our setting. We're actually currently out eating. This is our second attempt at this video.
Third.
Is our third?
Fourth. Yeah.
Fourth, whatever. It's one of them. We tried to record this video before. I don't know what happened. Okay, so I posted a video on my Instagram about 5 weeks ago. Yes, 5 weeks ago. It was a Q&A, but it seemed that one of the questions we got the most was how did me and Ziggy meet? So we decided to do that as a separate video. And then I got some questions about my hair, so I'm gonna do that as a separate video. So what do I like about Ziggy the most? He's actually so annoying. I'm joking. He's actually so sweet and I just like the fact that he's so sweet. And when I say sweet, he's just so caring. And he's such a lovely person. Like he's always making sure I'm fine, making sure I'm good, making sure I ate. He'll like cook for me and take care of me. He'll even wash my hair. And you guys know, all the naturalistas know that's a bonus right there. When your man can help you wash your hair and oil your scalp, honey boo boo. Okay, no, but what do you like the most about me?
You're just different.
I'm
That's the main
different.
thing, yo.
I'm different.
I mean, I explain certain things that I like, just understand exactly how I am. Smile.
My smile that I still hide.
Yeah. Until now, yeah?
Yeah.
Sometimes it's like, no, but at first, you ever used to show me like a smile, it was a smile, like, the shy girl thing.
No, I do not live in Jamaica. I was born in Canada. I'm Canadian. I actually lived in Jamaica for 2.5 years, like way back. It was like that was like a long time ago. I think it was like 11 or 12. We didn't know each other then. We lived in like 2 different, what do you call it, cities? Not cities. 2 different areas. But like our areas were still like beside each other, but we didn't know each other then. So I'm Canadian for those of you that are asking, because I actually get this a lot, especially on my Snapchat. Ziggy is Jamaican, by the way. He's born and raised in Jamaica. In August. 8 months.
Yeah.
8 months. We've been together for 8 months.
Oh, yeah.
That seems long. Already. 8
That
months
long?
already? It actually seems longer.
Yeah, when that man said, like, you just feel like on 2 years. It's too.
We met in Jamaica. So you can answer, how did we meet? While I indulge into my
Square.
burger.
No. What?
I said while I indulge into my burger, you can answer.
They say Sinisha like but 4 or 5 times first before even anything else. Yeah, but she may look like stush type or like, ooh, I don't want to talk to you now. Yeah, so I never stepped in that or nothing.
So you misjudged me.
Yeah.
You finally said it.
You
finally said no. You never said it. You never said it. You always made it seem like you made the move.
Nah. I couldn't me because what? Yo, you know what? The first time we talk about my mother's birthday. Yeah. But it was still not.
Ladies and gentlemen out there, I was one who stepped to him, okay? He was so shy and so scared.
Oh, come on.
You were.
No shyness in it, like, you misjudged it. Yeah.
So basically you thought I was a stush type.
Yeah.
You think I'm stush?
Nah, seriously.
You still think I'm
Look
stush?
on me to she, yo.
Don't say that, you're actually so sweet.
Wait. Let me just pause and say I'm like, nah. Even if we try like it, it's gonna be like, no.
You thought I was too good for you?
Even that.
Seriously?
Not even, no, not say like that, like, it's too good for me. Nah, maybe too sweet for me. That's where I think. Because we come and we just play a game and then we gone. We just come and restaurant and we just gone after.
Ah, say it again, you came and play games?
Yeah.
So you came to the game shop and you used to watch me?
Nah, I
Yes.
know.
I
You
lied.
think me to watch it, yeah? Or maybe you ain't watch me. Just say that.
Nope.
Oh, you know me to watch it.
You were watching me.
Oh, you know.
So
You
yeah,
ain't watch me.
so we had a game shop
See.
and Ziggy and his friends used to always come up there. Actually, not always. Came like
Like
once in a blue moon.
2 or 3 times.
Yeah, I think it was 2 or 3 times he came up there and he was playing a game and I had to like hook it up for him, but
You know what?
I wasn't even like looking at you like that those times. I was just like, who is this guy? Who do we think he is? Walking up in my game shop like piece of shit. That's what I thought. And then I think one day we also had a restaurant. So a couple months later we got a restaurant and then he came and bought food. He came and bought food. AKA came to see me.
When you come at the restaurant, we just order. And then we just sit and wait.
And watch me.
But you want me to... No, you think me to watch them time, like seriously.
You came to see me.
No.
Yes.
No.
I'm gonna believe that you came to see me. You did not come
So
for
you
chicken.
keep what you keep then.
And you hold what you hold, yeah.
It's because me know me come to just buy the food and cut. Because at the restaurant, them food never really... And obviously I'm really enjoying the food. So yeah. We just come buy the food and then we just cut.
Okay, so he came to buy the food and he just leaves. But anyways, I guess one night we were closing up and I went across the street. There was like a convenience store, a grocery store across the
No.
street.
You will see, no.
I was sitting where?
But you sit down on the car and then me pull up and go in the store and then
No, I was
your friend called and then me come cross over the restaurant.
Nah, man, remember from Benton's shop?
So now that, then after you go cross the road.
We didn't walk, we were coming out.
Huh?
Me and him walked to the grocery store.
No, you come over the car park first.
I don't remember that.
Yeah. And then you sit down on the right out on the front.
But I didn't talk to you when you came over to the car.
Nah, just you in the talk.
Mm-hmm.
And then I think you come, and then you come across the road.
Okay, yeah, so I seen you outside the store and I'm like...
So then after that, I don't know what after that.
I put on my big girl's pants and I'm like... Okay.
Oh, I think I did say, after I come across my Brenton, see that you asked me like, is me shy to talk to you?
Yeah, I put on my big girl's pants and I asked
I'm
him.
not shy.
You were shy.
It's
I
not
asked
shy,
him,
yo.
for me to start conversation with you, I had to come out and say, boom, are you trying to talk to me?
I'm not
And I
shy,
see you
man.
were smiling and you kept like fiddling with your sweater. You were so like
No,
nervous.
so I always set myself, yo.
That's a lie. You didn't even look at me. He's like, holy crap, she's talking to me. She's talking to me. Oh my god, she's talking to me.
You think you just work out as you come across me and say, oh, if you shy, man. I say, no, I'm not shy. It's just like, we see about we don't know if you're very shameful that because with the sound it's like holy fucking man, like you go say I and then like so them feel a certain way and then you'd have feel shame my idea.
Yeah. But that was nice, right?
Yeah, but
I think people just always misjudge me.
and then after I don't know what I'm after. So then one night we wake up and get some missed call and just I wonder who I call or whatever.
We exchanged. So we exchanged numbers. Okay, no, I lied. I got his number from one of his friends, and then I called him. And I called him. He wasn't answering. I texted him, but I think the time when you actually answered was like 12 in the night or something.
Yeah.
And you said you didn't answer because you were tired from your soccer game.
Yeah.
aside from his soccer game. But like from that night, we just had a good conversation, and from then, just hanged out. No? We did what? Oh, actually,
If you come
he said he had.
Cause
So after the conversation, maybe like a couple days after,
Yeah, like,
he had a headache.
listen to her.
One conversation we had, he had a headache. Okay, he said his head was hurting him. So I'm like, oh, I have some pills from Canada. They're actually
That means
really
that you want me
good.
doing our oats, right? I say going.
No, you said you had a head, but you could have went to the store to get a pill for your head. I said I had some pills from Canada, some magic pills that's good for your headache, and
Yeah,
he
magic
shot
pill.
over like
Magic
within
pill.
5 minutes.
Listen to that.
Within 5 minutes,
Magic
we were
pill.
there. And we sat on the stairs and we just talked.
But when we reach down,
We drove.
oh, you find out say made it there.
You told me your head was hurting you
Oh.
on the phone.
No.
How?
If I shop to get food and soup,
Are you
and then
serious?
like you sit down and me talking, you ask me, or I'm tell you something already.
Are you sure?
Then you have to say I've pill down at your house. Like I have pill at my house. Do you want
Are
it
you
at
sure
my-
we're on the phone?
Yeah, sure.
Ziggy, no.
No.
Yes.
You not remember nothing.
You don't remember nothing.
Yeah.
I guess we met twice then, cause.
No, it's only that one.
But yeah,
Let me get the pill, yeah. But you ain't want to stay so.
we just ended up sitting in front of my house and we were just talking. And then from then, like most of the times, whenever we lock at the restaurant, he'll just come in, bring me ice cream and stuff like that, and we'll just chill and talk and just reason about life.
So boy, I think
So for about like what 3 months, 4 months, we were just friends. And like the one thing I loved about our relationship is like, even though we started off as friends, we can just reason about anything. Like we just talked about anything, life, school, family, just anything.
I'm just like, you know, we might as well just be together, shawty, you know?
We just like, okay, baby.
Yeah, but from there we kind of just hit it off. Another question that someone asked was if I'm planning to live out here. We've talked about it, but really and truly, the only way I would live out here is if we were, like we've talked about doing like a business together, but we weren't really sure what, we had just too much ideals. But really and truly, there's more opportunity for me in Canada, and I've been to school, and I want to get something in my field, and like the pay is better over there. As for Ziggy, he's trying to work out his stuff over here. I guess like eventually, God's will, he'll come to Canada.
I mean, so that will work on.
Yeah, we're working on that. But he's just trying to organize himself over here. So eventually,
Yo, mainly like we just set up like try to stop some things to legal money.
yeah, he just wants to make sure where his, like when he leaves his mom, like she's set and she's good. Like his income's still coming in when he's not here. So that's what's going on right now. Okay, so to keep our long distance relationship going, we try to keep in contact with each other. Whether it's like through WhatsApp, text, FaceTime. We just try to talk to each other as much as we can and when we can.
And then like whosoever drop a sleep first, after send a video message in the morning, a good morning message,
Yeah.
or good afternoon, whatever.
So that's another thing that we do. It actually it turned out to be funny. Yeah, it's fun to us. Maybe we're weird, but it's fun that way for us, and we're just trying to make it work. And it's been working. I mean, we're not perfect, but we're learning along the way. But it's been good so far.
The things, yeah, we have a couple ups,
Yeah.
couple down.
Like for
Just try to
example,
work out.
we get annoyed if one of us don't answer when we message. He gets super annoyed whenever he messages me and don't answer, but that's minor stuff. Who wouldn't?
For you, that's mine for you.
Major for you, minor for me.
So you go the other way. So you go the other way.
But
Like if you need a message or like you didn't hear about nothing for like next 2 hours, next hour.
it's hard though. It's hard. It's not easy. Long distance relationship is not easy because when we're out together, like I'm wondering what you're doing. You're probably wondering what I'm doing. But we have to keep the faith, and I guess the most important thing is obviously communication, but just us being honest with each other. If there's no honesty, then it won't work. So we just try to keep the honesty and the communication there, and the respect for each other. And it's been good so far. I can't complain.
It's been a good 8 months.
Yeah, it's actually crazy to say that it's 8 months already. Yeah.
8 months ago,
This is
9
my
months.
Ziggy Bear. Team Ziggy Bear. He's winning. He doesn't have a name for me yet.
First.
Oh, sorry, I'm Sunshine. So this is Ziggy Bear and I'm Sunshine. That too. We have like pet names for each other. So I don't know.
Right. Try your fuck.
What are some things to keep you? Okay, so someone asked, what are some of the things to keep you motivated to stay together? P.S. I love you guys. Shout out to B_U_Tiffany_Flawed_. We love you too. So what are some things to keep us motivated and stay together? I feel like we just kind of answered that. I feel like we just answered that. It's just us being, having good communication, having respect for each other, and obviously the trust. Trust is there too. That's a big thing because we're like far from each other, and
the main thing in that man is just the trust and it's not work.
yeah.
It's like you work out the same way.
Yeah, from we have communication, trust, respect for each other. I feel like that's what keeps us motivated. Like I know the love I have for him. He knows the love he has for me.
That's all
So
it's just about to say.
they might think alike. Shout out to us. Shout out to Team Beta. But yeah, that's just what it is. And we see each other pretty often. I'm not sure how the next couple of months are gonna go, but yeah, we see each other pretty often. So it's not that bad. Or like some people
You
don't
can't
see.
complain because like before we go bed or whatever, I'll make sure like talk to you first or whatever.
Like we legit. Okay, from when we first met, we always used to come off the phone at like 4 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah.
It was just like if we were on the phone or if we were hanging out, it's like that. It was some reason
That's the
it was just
time,
always
4.
a 4. Everything was just 4. That was like our number. So like even if I'm in Canada and he's in Jamaica and we talk, falling asleep. Or if I fall asleep, he just stays on the phone till 4. Or like if you fall asleep, I stay. Or are we weird? That I'm talking out. Are we weird? Sometimes we fall asleep on the phone and FaceTime. You know the connection where you live is kind of weird, but we fall asleep on the phone sometimes. So stuff like that keeps us motivated. Just staying in contact with each other as much as we can and keeping it real 100. How old is Ziggy? Ziggy is.
What do you guys think?
What do you guys think?
Yeah. How old do I look? And that can answer some other time.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna make you guys guess how old he is. So in the description down below, you're gonna be like, Nisha is blank and Ziggy is blank. And the first 3 people. Sorry, the first 3 people that get our age correct, we're gonna be sending you guys a gift. We're gonna send you a what do you want to say? A heartwarming gift from Jamaica.
Yeah.
From the both of us. So yeah, put your guesses down below. That's gonna be funny because I actually the ages that people usually guess that I am is not what I am.
Yeah.
That's gonna be pretty funny.
See.
You think you're younger or older? Yeah. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your comments, your love. Thank you for supporting us. We're both kind of new to like the vlogging. I've made videos obviously before, but we're both kind of new to like the vlogging and even just being a couple of vlogging. But we thank you guys for your positivity. What do you think to say?
What do you have to say? To the
That's spicy.
Yeah, I know.
So we love you guys. If you have more questions like related to our relationship, just leave them down below. We didn't really have a lot of questions. Like one of the main questions was just how did we meet? And hopefully we answered that. If we didn't and there's still stuff you guys want to find out about us, we don't mind answering. Just comment down below and all that good stuff. Until next time.
Oops. Ta-da. Bye. Bye.
It's not that. I'm not getting on. paper, scissors then, because I'm not getting up. Shit, man. Best out of 3.
No.